Hello friend, this is Vinay. So if you own a device that runs Windows and now you want to upgrade to Windows 11 or you want to install Windows 11 on your PC, then the first thing you need to do is to check whether your device can run Windows 11 or your device is compatible for running Windows 11. So fortunately, Microsoft has released a nifty tool called the PC Health Check app, using which users can easily find out whether their device meets the requirement to install Windows 11. So if you want to install Windows 11, the first thing you need to do is to perform a compatibility check. For that, you need to download the PC Health Check app. So to grab the app, you just need to launch your default web browser and you need to visit this page. I have already added it in the description. Now here on this page, you need to scroll down to bottom and here you will find the section that reads check for compatibility. Now you will find two links here: download PC Health Check app and see minimum system requirement. You can open this page to get a quick review of the system requirements. The information include processor, RAM, storage, system firmware, TPM, and etc. But we landed on this page to download this nifty tool that is PC Health Check app. Click on it and this will start downloading the tool. Wait for a few seconds. Now open the file to launch the Windows installer. Here you need to accept the term in the license agreement. Click on install button and it will hardly take few seconds to complete the installation. And that's it. Now click on the finish button and this will automatically launch the PC Health Check app. What you need to do is just click on this check now button and you can see a dialog box appear with a message that reads this PC meets Windows 11 requirement. That means I can install Windows 11 or I can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. But in case you are seeing a message that reads your PC can't run Windows 11, that means your machine doesn't satisfy one of the minimum system requirement to install Windows 11. And to find out what is the minimum system requirement that lacking behind, you need to click on this button and you will find out rows next to that minimum requirement. So in my case, all are green. That means I can install Windows 11 and that's it, guys. This is how you can use the PC Health app to find out Windows 11 compatibility. Give a try to this tool before installing Windows 11. And if you have any queries, feel free to drop in the comments. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.